Jesus' birthday.
Christmas means getting together with my family and giving presents and getting presents.
To me, Christmas means playing with my friends on the beach.
It means sleeping fast so Santa will come to my house early. Eating the Christmas cake and having fun with my friends and family. Christmas to me is having a jolly, fun, happy, and cheerful time with my friends and family. Christmas carols make everyone happy. Getting together with my family and having fun. Christmas to me is playing snowball fights with friends and families and getting a lot of presents.
Christmas to me is about thinking about others.
Christmas is a